Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video we will learn how we can clear search history and also watch history on YouTube using YouTube applications. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is first open YouTube application. Now for search history, click on this search icon, and here you can see all the terms which you search on YouTube. Now if you want to clear single search, like here you can see gamer, about, and assist. If you want to only clear this search, then click and hold on it and click remove, so this search will be removed. Now if you want to clear all these searches on one click, what you need to do is go back and click on this icon, your channel icon, and now go down. In here you can see settings. In these settings, click on history and privacy. Now here you can see clear search history, click on it, and again for confirmation click on clear search history, click on it, and we successfully clear search history. Now refresh your YouTube application and now click again on the search icon, and here you can see nothing's appear, all the search queries cleared. Now for clearing the watch history, what you need to do is here click on library, and here you can see all your watch history. To clear this, click on history, and here you can see all your watch history will be here in the list. Now if you want to clear one video, what you need to do is click on this three dot icon, the menu icon, and click on remove from watch history, and the video will be removed. If you want to clear all the videos at once, what you need to do is click on this three dot icon at the right top corner and click on history controls, and now click on clear watch history, and now click on clear watch history, and all watch history is cleared. Now here you can see all the videos are cleared. This list has no videos, so your watch history also cleared. So go back, and here you can see no history is here, no watch history is here. Now why it is important? Because sometimes we search some inappropriate words and we do not know how to clear it. So this was the quick way to clear all the watch history and also the search history. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.